Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to design the OTP verification template. So these are our Figma. So we have 4 screens in our Figma, and first we are designing the login screen, then we are designing the OTP verification screen, and when you get the OTP verification, then we show the success screen also. So let's start with the first. We are going to create the project. So cd desktop and npx react native init otp so it will take us some time to download all the dependency from the React Native. So we download our project, but now we need to run our project in iOS and Android both device. So just come here. So just select and paste in your Visual Studio. Just type yarn iOS. So it will take us some time to run your project in iOS device. So this is my project. Our project is run in iOS device. So let's see our Figma, and we need to install some libraries. So this is our Figma. So for the navigating from one screen to the another screen, we need to install the navigation library. For that we are using the React Native navigation. So just type the React Native navigation. So this is my React Native navigation library. Just type read the docs, and we need to install the navigation first. Just copy this and come to your project, paste it, and then scroll down, and we need to install the screen also, React Native screens. Copy this also. After that we need to install the code also, but I'm installing the stack also. We need to install the port file in iOS folder. So but first we need to install the stack also. I'm going to install the stack. So we need to install the stack also. Just come here and just then cd iOS. So cd iOS, install the port. So it will take some time to install the port in your project. Now I need to run my project again. Cd iOS cd, and then yarn iOS. So this is our project, and this is our app.ts file. I'm removing all the things from the app.ts file, and also I'm changing the name to the JS because I'm using the JavaScript. First we are going to create our folder structure. For the folder structure, first I'm creating the src folder, then I'm creating the assets folder, and inside the asset I'm creating the font, images, and then I'm creating the component folder, screen folder also, and styles also, and I need a navigation also, and constant folder. I need to create the file with the image path also, and need to export default, and also I'm creating the in style screen. I'm creating the file with the name of the color, and export because I'm defining my all color and color files. So let me save these things also. And so now I need to create my responsive file also in style. So I'm just copying my responsive style and paste that style also. So this is my responsive style. I'm using this for the styling also. So now we need to wrap our all thing in safe area view. So see, we run our project again. but now I need to save area view, import the save area view. Just wrap your all content to the save area view, and just let me reload. See, we can see our app also when you wrap our all content to the safe area view. So now we need to go to our Figma and see how many screen we have. So we have 4 screen, but we can manage these 2 screen in 1 screen also, because it's a we need to apply some check also in here. So the first screen, we have a login screen. Just come here in the screens and create the folder of the login, and just create the file also. Your login structure also. So now we need to create another screen also with the name of the OTP screen. Also I will create the file also in OTP screen. I am import the syntax also, and another we have a success screen also. And now I need to create the file of the success screen also. Let me import the we create the 3 screens, and we create the 3 folders, and we create the 3 screen inside that folders. But now I need to export my all screens from here. Just type index.js and export. Export our login screen first, then export. So we export our OTP screen, then we are export default as a we export our 3 screens from the index.js file. But now I need to create a string file for these 3 screens. So just come to your cons file and just navigation, and here export default, and just login. So I create a string files of my screen also. Just save it. Now I need to create the auth stack, main stack also. So now I need to set up my React Native navigation library. For that I am creating the auth stack first, and the route and auth stack. I'm just importing the command, remove all extra things. I don't need these things. And let me remove the React Native also. Let me remove the import of the React Native also. We don't need these things also. So now I need to go to the React Native navigation library. Just come here after the just come here after the installation of the stack. Just scroll down. We need to import the native stack navigator. Just copy this and come here and paste. Let me import the navigator. I import and just come here and just stack.screens, and then close it. And now just name we already defined our string also. Just import from the navigation string dot login screen, and we have export our screen from the index.js, just component, and just say login. So it will import from the screen files, see. And now I need to import my another screen also, stack dot screen name, and we have a string also, navigation string dot OTP screen. So the navigation strings we only use for we do not forget the screen names. So for that reason we are using the navigation strings. Let me import the last screen also, and name. So I import my all three screens and all stack. Let me create the route file also for that. Remove these things also. Let me remove the import of the React Native. And now I just but now I need to import our navigator also. We need to import this also. Just come here and just paste it. And now I need to import the navigation container and also stack dot navigator, and just import your auth stack. And now I need to go to the our app.js file. This is our app.js, and let's remove all the things. I import my route file. To show you. So let me remove. Let's open the auth stack. See, so we import the route file in the app.js file, and our first screen is the login screen because of we have the in the auth stack our first screen is the login screen. For that reason we have a if I comment the login screen, so it will directly go to the OTP screen. See, let me reload our file. So our first screen is now is a OTP screen. So let me uncomment and let me reload it. So see, our first screen is a login screen. So this is the React Native navigation library setup. So now I need to hide my header also. Like we have the login header. So I don't need that header also. Just come to your route file. We have a screen options, and just header. So this is our command for the hiding the header shown. So now we need to design our login screen first. Just come to your login screen first, and we need to wrap our all the thing in the safe area view. So this is our login screen. So now I need to navigate from this screen to the OTP verification screen. So let's see our navigation is working or not. Just first import our navigation here, and then on press. So let me check, is it going or not? So we can navigate to the OTP verification screen. Let me wrap this also with the safe area view. So let me reload it first. Let me check again. So we can easily navigate from the login screen to the OTP screen. So in this video, first we create the project, and then we create the folder structure for our project, and then we create the React navigation setup. So in the next video we are designing these 3 screens. So see you in next video. Bye bye.